Siemens Buffalo Grove, we create products to help improve safety and efficiency in buildings big and small. Our factory, located just outside Chicago, Illinois, was established in 1988 and is a market leader in fire safety and HVAC. Each year, our team makes about 50,000 product variants that are manufactured and exported to more than 45 countries around the globe.
What we do within this facility is we manufacture and distribute products for our global buildings products business. As part of that business unit, we really focus on 3 different business segments. We have our fire segment producing life safety products. We have our connected devices segment producing products for OEM customers and other various customers around the world. And then we have our automation business segment utilized to really control and drive sustainability within the buildings that we put our products into.
Here in Buffalo Grove, quality is our priority. Each product we create is 100% tested throughout manufacturing, from receiving to shipping, to ensure compliance with UL and FM standards. Innovation is also critical to our success, reinventing our products and finding new ways to add value and meet our customers' evolving needs.
First of all, digitization and automation. We have a strong focus on driving technology forward, which allows us to be competitive for our cost structures. But secondly, it also ensures we can respond to changing demands that our customers have on a daily basis. Secondly, regionalization of our supplier base is critical to our business as well. If there's one thing we've learned the last couple years through our supply chain challenges from an industry standpoint, is that we need to ensure that we have regional sources of supply to ensure supply chain resilience for our business. Third, continuous improvement and problem solving. We spend a lot of time solving problems and driving improvements through our business on a daily basis. We utilize Siemens production systems to enable us to do that.
And we do it all with an eye on the future of our community and our planet. The products we create help buildings run efficiently, but the way we manufacture those products is efficient too. At Buffalo Grove, many of our processes are automated to increase output, ensure consistency, and minimize the risk of errors and defects during manufacturing. But we couldn't do it without our highly trained team. More than 300 employees who are the backbone of this site. We succeed when our people succeed. So, we offer a variety of resources to help our team gain new skills and knowledge. With these learning opportunities, employees stay current with trends in technology and build their career.
We invest in our people and we want people excellence. We grow our people, we develop our people, and we really want our people to own the responsibilities they have on a day-to-day basis and have that culture of ownership within our facility and for the business. As a result, that allows our facility to be very successful servicing our customers, but also meeting our business objectives.
As building technology continues to evolve, so will our facility, just as it has for the past 3 decades. With unmatched people, products, and services, Siemens Buffalo Grove will play a critical role in transforming how we keep buildings safe, efficient, and secure for decades to come.